So for this video, we're gonna be learning how to use our keyboard in FL Studio to make beats. Um, you can hear that pretty much however I'm playing, it just sounds good, right? So I'm gonna make it make sense. So everything comes down to this tool right here, right? This keyboard layout tool. So originally your keyboard layout would be it'll be layout piano and at root note C, right? So just as you have right here, we have the white keys and the black keys, right? Let me increase the octave. So you see right here, same thing right here, right? So your root note of C would start here, and this would be your black notes, right? Right? And this would be the next octave, right? Yeah. So you have your first octave right here, the next octave right here, right? So now, I don't know how to play the keyboard, so trying to now, map my brain into how I'm gonna write a melody that will sound good with all the notes and whatnot. And this is the black and this is the white. Yeah, you can play by ear, but I'm trying to get there like ASAP, you know? Um, and yeah, I just feel like it's so much work you have to do. And the truth is, yeah, if you watch my previous video, uh, you see that I make my beats in specific scales, right? And I use all the scales: minor, major, Lydian, Dorian, right? I mean, at the end of the day, they're all a major or minor scale. It's just a different mode, right? So what I do is, or what you can do is this. You can come down here, natural minor, and okay, we're still in the key of C, right? So now your keyboard layout changes, right? So see, you got your C right here, another C right here, you got another C right here, and you got another C all the way at the top, right? So now your keyboard will play only the notes that are in C minor, right? And truth is, yes, whether you know how to play keys or not, no matter what you're playing, it is already in a specific key. So, of course, those who know how to play the keyboard will know what key they're in, know how to switch keys and all that, right? But we're producers, we're FL Studio producers. Like, we don't need to know all that. I mean, yeah, you do, but like, you're just starting out, you want to get ready to make beats, like you don't need to know all that, right? That's why I call it producer theory, because we could skip a lot of the extra steps. We got the tools, just get to using them, right? So now your keyboard is locked into C minor. And if it doesn't sound good, you hear it right away, and it'll mostly always sound good. And you just have to play or find what you like. You I guess the rule of thumb for playing good stuff, to play anything that sounds good, is you skip every other note, right? So even for, if you notice, for chords, they sound very dissonant, right? And they can be, you can intentionally make it dissonant when you need it to, right? But for the most part, right? That's that Metro Boomin, 21 Savage shit. Um, right? So you got do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, mi. See? So if you're here and you want to start playing, right? So now you see that C minor, you can change it to whatever. Let's go G sharp minor. I like G sharp minor. It's very emotional sounding. I think we can go down one octave. Right? Now, what I like to use all of them, right? I use Dorian, Locrian, Lydian, all of them. I like Dorian a lot, right? So let's see, we could go Dorian, we go D sharp, Dorian, right? I want to go higher up. Right? So right? Pretty much you can keep switching them up, right? Till you find what you like, right? Keep switching them up till you find what you like. Well, we just played some stuff in Dorian. We could do Lydian. And then you can even use, see, I'm only skipping one note. You can skip. So now let's say you find something and you want to get it on tempo, just hit your metronome and yeah, if you want to record, hit record. Yeah. You got a beautiful melody here. Make a whole beat out of this, you know? Yeah. And I think that's a wrap for real, because at this point it's up to you to discover it, you know? I just wanted to show you that you can like get to making what you want to hear, or something you can get to figuring stuff out just with nothing, just you got your computer, you got the software, you load it up, you just start fucking around with it, start messing around. Whatever you hear, at the end of the day, you just got to play what sounds good, right? If you want to test all of them out yourself, that's what you should do. Test every single one of them: Arabic, dominant, bebop. I've tried them all out. I actually know what they all sound like. Yeah, try them all out, see, and then make better beats, or make beats that you thought you couldn't make sounds that you thought you couldn't make, and then move this over to your favorite synth or whatever, try it out. Pretty much what this video is supposed to be, a quick one, just to show you how to use your keyboard to start playing stuff. You don't need to know how to actually play the keys before you can actually start playing something, especially once you have the software to do all that. Yeah. Good luck. GG's.